Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to increase Coinbase limit. Increasing your Coinbase limit is possible by following a few important steps that help build trust and security on your account. Start by completing your identity verification, which includes submitting a valid government issued ID and confirming your personal details and phone number. Next, link and verify a bank account, as this can significantly raise your ACH and wire transfer limits. Enabling two factor authentication adds an extra layer of security and may positively affect your limit tier. Maintaining a consistent history of legitimate transaction also helps Coinbase evaluate your account and gradually unlock higher limits. If available, you can request a limit increase by going to your profile and reviewing the limits section for additional verification options. For even more flexibility, upgrading to Coinbase One or a business account can provide higher or customized limits along with added benefits. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.